On the housing front, homebuilder sentiment dropping to a 10-month low. Diana Olick here with more. Hi, Diana.
Hi, Wolf. Yeah, builder sentiment in June fell from a record high last November down to the lowest level since last August. Builders are blaming the high cost of materials and delays in getting those materials. Yes, the price of lumber has come down off its recent peak, but it's still 275% higher than pre-pandemic levels. Higher costs are passed on to buyers, pushing new home prices up 20% from a year ago. That, in turn, say the builders, is sidelining some buyers and causing sales to drop. And here's a new one. Smaller builders, who actually make up 2/3 of the market, say they're now losing construction loans because the appraisals aren't coming in as high as the new home prices. If they don't get the loans, they can't build the houses. Back to you guys.
Diana, I was going to ask, what is the bigger swing factor for volumes of housing transactions? Is it things like lumber prices, or is it things like mortgage prices?
It's actually not mortgage rates. I mean, mortgage rates have been sitting right around record lows for about a year now. And so that actually helped fuel the price gains. But now really it's the commodity prices. It's lumber, it's copper, it's concrete, it's all the things that go into a house being passed on to the buyer. Home prices then rising so much that the buyers have to pull back. But I do think that appraisal one is really interesting when you talk about inflation, that home prices are actually rising faster than appraisers can keep up. So you're not going to get those loans. That's really hitting the loan market for the builders. So it's really trickling down to everyone.
Yeah, a lot of people think housing is in the crosshairs if the Fed does start talking about tapering tomorrow. Diana, has the market peaked? Is there any sign that this has been as good as it gets and it's turned a corner?
Well, I think sales at this point, perhaps we've been seeing pending home sales for existing homes come down. We've seen new home sales come down. Prices, I don't know about that. They may continue to go even higher, mostly because demand is still high and demographics are fueling that demand, and supply is still so very low. If mortgage rates start to come up, that would actually help because it would bring prices back and allow more buyers to get into the market.
Diana Olick. Diana, thank you.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.